All right, I'm so glad you're here. We're going to do about one of each of these things so we can kind of get a flavor of what's going on if you're still having trouble. When we're looking at this, we need to really understand PEMDAS, which means that we need to identify what is happening here and then kind of how can we undo it. So right here is multiplication. Here is a parentheses. And then once I get the parentheses undone, then I have to kind of go back and start all over again kind of inside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. First of all, I have the parentheses, which I need to undo multiplication. That means I divide both sides by 3. And now I need to undo, so the parentheses are gone. Now I need to undo my, well, technically this is still kind of parentheses with an exponent. So I need to still kind of undo that before I can get at this stuff inside here. So again, I need to undo this part here. So this is cube root, so the opposite is cubing. So 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64. And now I can finally get at this stuff inside here. So again, you kind of have to undo all the other parts and then finally get at in here, which now I can just subtract. Let's look at this one here. I have two things going on. My students are seeming to like to write it as a fractional exponent, which is cool, because then to undo that, you just do the flip of it. So now, what this means is I am supposed to, oh, that's a 27, wow, where did I write that? I am supposed to take the cube root of 27, which is 1/3, and then do it to the 4th power, so 3 to the 4th is 81, which gives you 1 over 81 as your answer. Now, we want to just check that. Maybe we're not feeling very confident in that. This is, we are now saying 1, wow, I am so backwards today, 1 over 81. I said that, I think. 1 over 81, and then we're going to have it to the, parentheses, 3/4 power, which gives us that. Let's see if that is equal to that. It is, so we're good to go. Looking great.